Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Telfar circle bag. So I'm so excited about getting this. Just a little backstory. I've been following the brand, been excited, lost out on a couple of trying to purchase the bags, and website didn't work, bags sold out before I could get it, but I was able to get two of the rainbow bags, a mini and a medium, during the rainbow sale online. And the tote bags, I meant to say, the colorful tote bags during the rainbow sale online. I was able to get the royal blue mini and then the orange medium, which are that's like my new favorite bag. But the whole time I really wanted the circle bag. Honestly, I first heard, I mean, people have been talking about Telfar for a long time, but the main thing was when the circle bag launched, and then everybody talking about I want the circle bag, and then it wasn't available. So then now when it was like, oh, circle bags relaunching, I was like, I'm getting the circle bag this time. So we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. So it's a super cute box, very classic, and I really like that it's a different experience from the rainbow, from the tote bags, because here's inside black tissue paper. So because since there is a price difference between the circle bags and the tote bags, it's cute that they created an elevated experience for the tote bags. So for the circle bags, I should say. I'm also glad that it's big, because the mini, I could fit an iPhone, a credit card, my driver's license, and $20. Nothing else could fit in that purse. It's mini, okay? But I also have iPhone Pro Max, so I have the big one. But alright, so let's open her up. It comes in a cute duster bag. And ooh. So inside the duster bag, it's wrapped in tissue paper. And then there's like a little circular cardboard. Ooh, it is so pretty. And then that is the bag. So I'm gonna take this out so you can see the little handle. Oh, this is so cute. And I got a big head, so it's a big bag. Super cute. And is the price on here? I'll put the price in the description box below. But this is the bag. It is super cute. This is a super cute handbag. Like, very inventive, very different. Love the detailing. Even the zipper has like the little Telfar emblem. That is so cute. So far my experience with the vegan leather bags from Telfar is they've been really well constructed. Really like them. So inside the bag, I'm not gonna totally rip her apart because I'm not gonna wear it right now. I'm definitely gonna put her back in the duster, and I'll probably pull her out next month because I'm really enjoying my orange bag right now. And this is the strap for the bag, and the bag inside is stuffed with like some different like just to make it big. But it definitely is the perfect size for like going out. Like, I can see all my stuff, or just like a day out and about. Like my hand sanitizer, my cards, my money is gonna fit, and I'm gonna be able to really just be cute with this bag, and that's the goal. So and then that strap that I showed you, you guys it can be connected right there, like on each side. They have the little hooks for it. So this is a super cute bag. I love the fact that it's like kind of 3D-esque with the little Telfar being like bigger. This is gonna be super cute. I'm excited to use her and carry her around. So excited. If you have a favorite handbag company, let me know what their name is that you love. There's a couple of other brands I've been looking at, excited to try. I would love handbags. That's my favorite accessory. Matter of fact, I'm gonna come right back with my Telfar bag so I can show you guys how I styled it. Okay, so this is the medium tote, so I have an orange, and I put this really super cute, the straps are like beating me up. I put this really cute, super cute scarf on it just to add my own little flair to it, but it is so big. I'm able to fit all my things in it. Like, I literally am walking around with a whole umbrella. Like, I have an umbrella, I have my big old wallet, because I'm a granny and I like big wallets. And it's just, ooh, I'm knocking over the camera. It is just a super cute bag. It's easy to use. Only thing that I don't like with the tote bags is the bigger strap doesn't detach, and you gotta kind of like fold it in so that way you can get like the handbag look. So that's a little annoying, but these straps do come in handy, so I'd rather have them than not have them. But if there was a way to like detach it, reattach it, like the other bag, I think it would be even better. But this is my new fave bag right now with the little scarf. She's so cute. So let me know if you have a Telfar and what your favorite color is, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you think it's just an overhyped brand. I honestly don't think it is. I've had a lot of different vegan leather bags, and so far this one is behaving much better and easier to use, so I really appreciate that. And I love it. I just love a good handbag. So thank you so much for watching the channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them the best I can. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.